Hello everyone. So in today's cooking video, I am cooking pepper soup with yam. But basically some people they do put the two together and cook these two as yam pepper soup. But I'm going to cook this separate as the chicken pepper soup, and I will cook the yam separate. So now this is my chicken, this is my yam. I will cook the chicken, and in a few minutes, let's say about 20 minutes or 25 minutes or so, I'm done with the chicken. Then I will start preparing the pepper soup, add the ingredients, the necessary ingredients that I have to use to cook the pepper soup, the chicken pepper soup. So this is what I'm going to do now. Stay tuned, guys, and keep watching. All right, in this pepper soup, in this chicken pepper soup that I want to cook, I will be using these two spices, and the name of this is called grains of selim. Then this is called calabash nutmeg. Now some people do use this just like that, but I don't use it like that. I always peel it and remove the seed because the seed is bitter. I don't want the pepper soup to be bitter. And I will remove the skin of the calabash nutmeg. Okay. So I have removed the skin of the calabash nutmeg. You can see how beautiful it is. It's natural. And this as well. Although some people they do blend different things together and sell in the Africa shop, and this is a spices being mixed with different ingredients, which I don't know how many ingredients make this. So I don't really like this. I prefer to use this, but some people do buy this and use it. So but for me, I don't like it. And this is the seed. This is the seed. This is the seed of this. So I remove it, and I will use it. I will throw it away because I don't need it, as well as the skin of the calabash nutmeg. So here is my pepper. This dried pepper. I just blend it, and it's ready to go to the pot, to the cooking pot of the chicken. All right, I have to crunch this. Some people don't crush it, but I like to crush it because when I crush it, I can feel the flavor of this calabash nutmeg. As you can see, I have crushed it. I just finished crushing it, so I have to apply it to the pot of this chicken. It's boiling right now, but I don't want it to done without all these three elements. They all will done together. You can see it. I've applied all the ingredients. Now I have to wait for some time. Everything will be all right. So this is the yam. I have to salt it a little, just little. This is how I enjoy my yam. You can try it. When you try it, we found it's more delicious than the one you just cook like that. As you can see, we are done with the cooking. See how beautiful the pepper soup is? Wow, so yummy. Okay, this is the end of today's video. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.